Alright, here's my Samsung refrigerator. Freeze up hack. Right here in the back, there's a drain down there. These coils get hot and are supposed to thaw this whole contraption out. Well, they don't. So what happens is it starts freezing up. So I took this copper wire, wrapped it around the heat coil, ran it down the drain about a foot. That way it keeps the drain from clogging up and freezing shut. And then once the drain freezes up, the ice just keeps building all the way up and gets into the fan. That's when it goes off.